Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field. There's a couple of pieces here I've basically just thrown in. There's mainly two nice pieces. This piece. And this piece. Maybe cut it in half. Get a nice pattern stone here, and not sure what's going to be on the second stone. There's a bit of red and yellows showing in here when you move the piece. The other pieces, like I say, are just thrown in, potch and colour. Good to practice with. Nice little bar of colour there on the end. Again, this is basically just a freebie. It's those two pieces that I've priced the deal on. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.